Hey guys, Nikhil from Home Banao. Today is not a review of this product, it's not an unboxing. It's an appreciation for what Make in India can achieve. I am checking out the Sujata mixer grinder today. It's an absolute icon in India. This product has probably been synonymous with juice shops, restaurants, home kitchens, and is a testament to durability and what Make in India has done in the past, even before it had become sort of a campaign in the recent times. So this is a brand which started in 1979, Sujata, and they started with designed for India products and made in India product, and this was their first sort of product. I'm sure you've gone to a local juice shop and seen like 6 or 7 of these running all day long. I'm sure you must have relatives in whose homes this mixer grinder is probably older than you are. This is more of my own admiration for this product. The previous mixer grinder video we had done was one of the startups of recent times called Atomberg, and the top comment, or there was, I don't know, like hundreds of comments asking us to check this out. Some of them are asking us to review it, and I can tell you I am not capable of reviewing such a product, but I can just show you what's in the box and do some tests and show you how this has been a category defining product in India. So let's get started with the unboxing. So the first thing which stood out was there's 4 features which these guys have highlighted on the box. First one they have said is a motor fitted with double ball bearings. Now, I'm not technical enough to understand this, but what I know is they claim that because of the double ball bearing, the run time of this blender is 90 minutes. I mean, that itself, if you have seen other mixers, grinders, I can assure you none of them allow for anything more than 15 minutes or 20 minutes or max 30 minutes. So 90 minutes claimed on the box. Second thing, if you guys didn't know, this is a completely designed in India product and made in India product. And this was back when India was not really known for manufacturing or design. Even today, only in a few categories we have some kind of presence. So in the box, first up, we have a large 1.7 liter blender. And it says do not place hot ingredients or spoon inside the jar. So you can't place hot ingredient in the jar. You have this lid with this opening, and if you remember in my Atomberg video, one of the feedback I had given them was their lid didn't have a lockable opening, but this does. This opening actually locks. Now I want to highlight one interesting thing here. If you notice inside, the blades are actually not that sharp, and you may feel that that's a bad thing. That's not. That's how it's intended to be. A sharp blade is hiding a high torque motor. A blunt blade is actually what does blending properly. Let's continue. You have a grinder jar here. Same thing here. Blades are just barely sharp enough, not too sharp. You have a chutney jar here. These two are stainless steel. And then finally, the star of the show, a large 900 watt motor base. I mean, this is not a sight which is new, but I'd just like to show you, how beautiful, how dense and heavy this thing feels. Now, one thing which will immediately catch your attention is this rotating, the driving coupler teeth. You can go check a lot of your jars. I'm sure this driving coupler teeth in a lot of the jars which you own is actually plastic. Here it is proper metal. Now at the center you have a whisk setting and you have power on and speed control, and that's it. That is why I told you I don't need an instruction manual to run this mixer grinder. So let's not wait anymore. Let's just start with some tests, and we'll start with some very aggressive tests. So let's get started. So first thing first, we'll just pour in a little bit of water, give it a quick rinse before we use it. Now keep in mind, it's told in the box, it's told on the lid as well. When you're using this, you're supposed to hold the top. can I say? Superb. The sound is so iconic. Let's add the ice. The first challenge I'm throwing its way is itself crazy. Just straight up blending some ice. So let's go. Put it in, lock it, hold your hand on the cover and the first, just some simple crushed ice. This is not supposed to be used as an ice crusher. It's a blending unit. I'm sure if I put the grinding unit, it'll grind it as well. But let's keep the ice in and let's throw some chunks. So guys, one thing I want you to notice, I am not chopping them tinily. I'm throwing them straight into the blender. Let's cover this up. No water, it was a crushed ice. Let's go. Water. There you go. You saw me just shake it up to make sure that the pineapple chunks go down. I didn't chop up the pineapple. I literally put in large chunks. So I'm going to continue having this juice as we record. We'll move to the next blending test. Oh my god, the juice is literally like you get it in the store. I am not running it through the sieve. I am directly having it. Nothing, just incredible. I'm giving it a quick rinse. We'll just throw the tomatoes in once this is cleaned up and we'll see what happens. So there's one small thing I want to highlight here from a design perspective which they have done. This knob rotates 360 degree. So what I mean by that is that I can go low, medium, high and then immediately cut power. When you are at a high speed and you want to immediately shut it down. In a lot of the blenders, you go back, medium, low and then zero, right? In reverse. But that's not the case here. This thing just immediately shuts it down. This is pretty cool design decision, I would say. So guys, I'm just blending some tomatoes. Let's make a tomato juice which can probably be, cooked to make a sauce or whatever it is. But these tomatoes as it is, I am putting inside. I have not chopped them. I have not boiled them. They have been pureed in seconds. I'm tossing another one in. So you know why I'm laughing? I never use blenders like this. The moment I started using this, I feel I could just, rough it out. I don't care. I'm just playing with it. Absolutely no fear that anything will happen to this blender. And the tomato puree is ready. I mean, what can I say? So let's move on to the next one, which is a chutney. So for the chutney, we'll be using the chutney jar. And in the chutney jar, they have given these locks. When I place it on, I can lock it. So we'll do that now. Now I'm doing two things differently in this chutney. Is I'm placing the greens inside. But the second thing is, if you'd have noticed, when we make chutney, I have some coriander, mint, some mirchi. Along with that, the dry coconut which I'm putting, right, I am literally putting chunks. And I'll just add a little bit of water and let's blitz it. So it's been locked. I place it here, turn it, keep my hand on top. So let's see. You saw the size of the chunks of the dried coconut. It did not matter. It's been beaten down into this simple chutney. So you saw the size of the chunks of the coconuts I put in this. It did not matter. In less than a minute. And this thing runs for 90 minutes straight. It's just beaten down the chutney. You can see it. Next, I have the grinding jar. You can see the grinding jar blades. So I'm Just making some simple quick badam powder. Again, nothing, no treatment, no preparation, straight out of the pack, right into the mixer grinder blender. Turn it around and it's done. It's ready. Oh my god. This is how you get it in the shop if you want to buy badam powder. Guys, I didn't run it for a minute. It's done in like 20 seconds. And I could have run this for 90 minutes straight. I don't know why anyone would. Incredible. So let's make some cold coffee. We have a nice instant coffee, vanilla flavored. Guys, you already know it's gonna make superb coffee. We just want to see. For those of you who don't know Sujata, it's probably for them. All right. It's locked, loaded. Let's go. It's done. Let me just show you how the coffee looks. So frothy. Superb. So let's pour it. Oh wow. Guys, you have to understand something. This is used in all sorts of cafes, and this is why it looks exactly how you get it in a restaurant. Let me take a quick sip. Oh wow. It's completely blended it up. Absolutely incredible. So there you have it, guys. There's no doubt I was gonna be impressed. That's the kind of brand Sujata is in blender space. But I was just absolutely blown away. You know, when I had the box and I hadn't unboxed it yet, I was reading on the print, the fine print on the box. You see a lot of brands end up hiding their disadvantages in the fine print. So a simple example is just go check your blender's fine print and see what is the runtime. I can assure you none of them have a 90-minute runtime. I am 100% sure. And when I read 90-minute on the Sujata box, I said this can't be real. But then I realized every juice shop near me runs this damn thing all day long. The best part, those juices always taste amazing. And today when we tried it, I got the exact same taste. You could see it in my expression. And that's just a testament to the Mittal company which makes this product. Sujata is the brand. But to have made this in India, to have designed this in India, to have designed for Indians. See, one important thing in our Indian cooking is our mixers and grinders run for a long time. Something as simple as an idli batter. You will keep, sort of mixing it to make sure that it's completely smooth. And it goes on for 20, 30, 50 minutes. I know in my own house, we make a lot of powdered chutneys. And those chutneys take a long time, 30 minutes, 45 minutes. But I can assure you none of my items take 90 minutes to make. But the rated capacity for this is 90 minutes. Look, this is slightly more expensive than a lot of blenders and mixer grinders which exist. But you can tell the people who designed it back in the 1980s had their priorities straight. And this is the kind of product. There's a movement online which is gaining a lot of popularity these days. It's called Buy It for Life. And for Buy It for Life India, I think the journey should start with this piece of equipment. Absolutely incredible. You know it is not a review, it is just an admiration for what Sujata and the Mittal company have been able to pull off. Amazing, amazing product. Do subscribe for a lot more content like this. And thank you for everyone who asked me to check out this product. I have seen these in shops, I have never used it in my house myself. And I can tell you the designers of these products knew exactly what they were doing. And boy, do they have something incredible for all of us. See you all in our next video.